Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to replace the charging port on a Samsung A03 core. So let's start it. First of all, you have to replace your SIM tray because you have to remove the back case of it. So get that tool very gently on the bottom of it. Not easy, but you have to open it. There we go, it's opened. So leave that one on the side. Open the screws. It doesn't matter how you leave the screws, it's alright. You have to open the top as well because you have to disconnect the battery. Disconnect the battery, important thing. That's it. Remove this one. Leave these both things on the side. So very gently you have to open. That's antenna flex. Very carefully. Because this is very sensitive. This can broke it from the both sides. So that charging port was like, there is a connector things inside of this one, and that one is broken. So we get the brand new charging port. We got that one, brand new charging port. So open it. There we go. So I'll bring that his own place. Wow. And let's screen flex. You have to press this one properly with your nail. That's it. Just leave them on and just connect the battery again and leave that cover on and just restart. And now just plug in to see how that won't work. Yes, it's working fine. So wait for 1 minute to get that onto the 1%. Yeah, there you go. That's on 1%. Checked already. So now screw them back. Now the bag goes on. Just pressing to get clicking. Bit of dirt here I need to be cleaned. That's it. Don't forget to put your SIM tray back. Videos, hopefully you like my video. If you like my video, please comment and subscribe. Thank you very much.